Hi guys, we're currently eating lunch and our food just came. I got sauteed mushroom with cheese and this one has ham. Yay. I forgot to film, but we are walking around Tanjong Pagar area and I'm looking for a glass house to get a cup of coffee. It's looking quite nice to walk here. Oh, we're nearby. Shake Shack is here, so I'm gonna find glass house and I'm gonna get I wanted to get a vanilla latte, but they don't have it, so I'm gonna get a Mont Blanc. So I think so much is not funny. I think we're near. You know when it's so hot you can't talk. It's how I feel like. This is my drink, you know the fact. We just Hi guys, we didn't vlog but we're at Somerset now and I'm gonna look for some sunglasses to buy. And I bought these shoes from With Love just now. Guys, we made it to a sunglasses shop and I'm gonna try on some lenses. I'm looking for the big sunglasses vibes. Guys, I'm mic'd up now, but I'm shooting for a video and we are getting apple juice. Also, I just got my nails done for graduation. Still thinking whether I should vlog during graduation. I'm gonna continue shooting and catch you guys when we're eating or doing something. I think I forgot to update previously, but I didn't buy sunglasses at all. The ones I wanted was $680, so I saved money and didn't buy it. So spicy guys. We got some drinks.